Should I wear this for the video? For those of you guys that did not see my last video, Change Your Life, go watch it. And I talk about exactly how I got this. Thank you, StockX. I appreciate you. But yeah, I'm not actually wearing this for the video because I'm in the comfort of my own home. So it's kind of weird to wear an outdoor parka for a video. That's just a flex. What should I actually wear? Oh, I know. I got it. I'll wear this beautiful thing right here. Man, I love this hoodie. If you did not see the photo that I took in this hoodie a while ago, you are sleeping. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I promise you I got the most fire Instagram in the game. Anyways, what is up, YouTube? Today we are going to go over this week's droplets. I believe it is week 19, and I think we only have one more week after this. I hope so, because I'm really tired of waking up at 8 a.m. on Thursday. I say that, but I promise you after like 2 weeks, I'm gonna be so upset because I'm just gonna be waiting for the next Supreme season. But regardless, this week I think is actually pretty decent. According to the man, the myth, the legend himself, Drops by Jay, the summer teas are dropping this week. He informed us of this 2 days ago. He said there are 7 teas total dropping. On the actual preview that he showed us, there are 5 tea mock-ups, and all of these teas to me look really sick. I would say my favorite by far are these like Hindu teas. Supposedly some people in my live were saying that that says skateboarding in Hindu. I think one is called the Ganesh tea, and I don't know what the other one is called. And then after those, I think I would probably prefer the Mona Lisa tea. I think the Mona Lisa tea is definitely fire. And then you have what looks to be like another little alphabet type tea, and the octopus tea. The octopus tea is by far my least favorite. Speaking of this little alphabet thing that spells out Supreme, New York, London, and Paris, they are dropping the alphabet like stuff this week. I don't know, they're dropping the alphabet pants and the alphabet towels. Now, in regards to the teas, I think all these teas are fire. I'm probably going to try to acquire all of them, including the other 2, assuming that they are somewhat decent. Even that alphabet bullshit, to me, I like the tea. I'm not a big fan of the pants, honestly, or the towel. Like, I think the towel is super weak. The pants, I guess, are like somewhat okay, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not a fan. I feel like Supreme just removed that from their site and then like put the rumor out there that they can't like sell it according to the estate or whatever, just because they wanted to get some hype around it. I don't know, man. It's just weird that they're dropping it, because according to everything that we heard, they weren't supposed to be able to drop it because there was a cease and desist from the actual like company that owns that. I think it's the estate of the artist that created that, but supposedly they're able to drop it now because they're dropping the pants and the towel. Personally, as I said, I am not a fan of the alphabet collection. Yeah, I don't know. The only thing I really want from that collection is the tea. As for the pants, the towels, those are passes for me. And I can say that the majority of the lookbook items dropping this week are all passes. The only thing that I really care to go for is the portable breathalyzer. I think this piece is super sick. I'm definitely going to try and go for that. However, I'm not quite sure. I will say sellout times haven't been too bad this season, so hopefully I'll be able to acquire that. I think that'll be a sick ass piece. I don't know how much it'll work, but regardless, I think that'll be a cool piece to have on you. As for the rest of the items dropping, you have the Vibrations button up. Now, I am a fan of the Vibrations button up, but I am not going to go for it. The only thing I really care about from the Vibrations graphic is the pants. I didn't go for the jacket, and I'm probably not gonna go for the button up. Like I said, the pants were must cops for me. I love the pants. They fit absolutely swimmingly. But yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on this tee. Then we have this like jersey top that's like a V-neck that says Supreme, and the script font. And this thing is so freaking ugly. First of all, this camo colorway with the purple collar, like what are you thinking? And then all the other colors to me are just trash. The only one that's like somewhat wearable is the black one, but it's a V-neck, and I don't know, it just looks like it's gonna be cheap. Then you have this polo. This polo looks like something that my grandfather would have worn, and he wouldn't wear it to look fly, like he would just wear it because it's there. Then you have this floral hat. I love this pattern, but I'm not a fan of flat brims, and that's just a definite no for me. We also have this camp cap dropping. Once again, I'm gonna have to say a hell to the no. Wait, are these corduroy? These are corduroy. They'll actually be kind of, no, I don't think they are. I can't really put my glasses on right now, because if you guys notice, when I put my glasses on, since I'm actually using a light for once in my life, it's a big reflection issue. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, can't see shit, but yeah, regardless, I think those are all passes. I mean, some cool little box logo hats if you like their camp caps, but for me, it is a pass. And then last but not least, we have the tote bag, and the tote bag is I love that Skull Pile graphic and I love the hoodie, but that was the only piece that I really cared to cop. Well, that and the Vans and the okay, I actually liked a lot of it. I'm mad confused if all these are dropping. So the tees that we have dropping, we have the Ganesh tee, we have the Tentacles tee, we have the Swimmers tee, we have the Gons logo tee, the Crystals tee, the Mona Lisa tee, and the Hardware tee. Okay, I'm trying to figure out which one is which. Obviously, the Mona Lisa tee is the Mona Lisa tee. The Ganesh tee is probably this one. I would say that this is the Hardware tee, but I don't know why that one would be 40, so I don't really know which one is the Hardware tee. I guess this could be the Crystals tee, the center one. I'm like mad confused at which one is which, but regardless, my goal is to cop all of the t-shirts. Based off these 5 tees, I think that these tees look pretty sick, and I'm kind of stoked on it, honestly. This season, although it's been pretty lacking, the t-shirts is probably one of the only areas that I feel like Supreme has done well this season. I mean, think about it. We got the Diamond tee, we got the Static Strike tee, we got the Prodigy tee, we got the TV tee, we got a bunch of different t-shirts that are actually pretty sick. It looks like all the tees are $36 except for the Hardware tee, which is $40. Since Drops by Jay did release the retails, I might as well go over those with you guys. The Vibrations rayon shirt, so it's not going to be corduroy like the jacket and the pants, but that is, my phone just died. Wow, okay. At 3%, really. At 3 motherfucking percent. Thank you, Kyle, I love you. Still using it, baby. I love you. For those of you guys that don't know, Kyle is actually the homie. He actually blessed me with this. Literally just gave it to me out of the kindness of his heart. Come on, turn on, dude. Yay! Oh, by the way, while I am shouting out Kyle, his name is Kyle Borgschatz. His name's mad weird, but he did open up a store recently, so shout out to him, man. They already had their grand opening. I'm not quite sure where their store is located, but I would definitely recommend checking it out. And if you're into cars, he's got a bunch of super sick car photos. I mean, I follow the dude on Instagram, so obviously he's got a dope Instagram page. I wouldn't follow him if he didn't. So anyways, shout out to Kyle. Thank you once again for this. I appreciate you, brother, and we need to play Fortnite soon. Anyways, back to these retails since my phone is finally alive. Okay, so the Vibrations rayon shirt is $128. The mesh baseball top, that disgusting, hideous thing, is $108. The Unseen ribbed pocket tee, we do not know which piece that is. That's $78. The Brindle print polo, that thing that my grandpa would wear literally out of necessity, not for style, was $88. The Alphabet water shorts, wow, I believe I've been calling those pants this entire time. Those are $118. The fact that they're shorts actually makes me kind of change my opinion on them. Now I might actually cop those. Those are actually kind of sick for swimming trunks. Like, those are kind of gas, actually. Okay, I might end up buying those. Anyways, floral 5-panel, $44. Gross. The raised logo camp is $48. The Skull Pile toe is $98 for a tote? Are you tripping? That tote better be made of fucking gold. Gucci prices. The Alphabet towel is $68. Not copying. The back keychain, what does the BAC stand for? Blood alcohol content? Anyways, that keychain is $48. The Skull Pile denim tote is, wait, what? He put that on here twice. $98. And it's made of denim, not gold, so definitely not worth $98. The stickers that we will get a Mona Lisa sticker, Ganesh sticker, Tentacle sticker, and I believe those are all of them. They might have other ones, I'm not quite sure, but those are the stickers listed. So yeah, man, those are all the retail prices. Normally I don't get to do that because the retails are literally released so late that I don't get to discuss the retail, so I'm kind of glad that I got to do that today. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the Supreme drop previews and you guys want me to keep doing them, of course, smash that like button. Also, subscribe if you have not already to stay up to date with what Supreme and other brands are doing. I try to do Palace lookbooks, and I really want to do FTP lookbooks, but normally whenever they do their lookbooks, like, they don't show all of the items, so it's kind of difficult to do. But I do talk about this on my Instagram, so if you want to be up to date, the most up to date that you possibly could, in fact, we already went over this drop list on Instagram, then make sure you follow my Instagram. My Instagram is @thestarlife. That's TheStarrlife. That's going to be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. And that picture that I mentioned earlier where I was wearing this hoodie, just pay attention to that, right? I was wearing this hoodie with the matching sweatpants with the Raf Simons Oswego bunnies and an actual motherfucking bunny in my hand. I'm telling you, no one puts the work into the Instagram photos quite like me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. And as always, keep living the star life. Peace the fuck out. Come as you are.